So, very important topic, sectors. So, anybody? Okay, yeah, we'll be going ahead, Santosh ji. So, anyone can say what is the importance of sector? What is the importance of sector? So, let us understand. Hello, Atul ji. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the appreciation. Thank you. Thank you for joining the webinar. So, can anybody can discuss what is a benefit of sector? Why sector is so important? Okay, we'll be discussing that. Why banking sector is stuck, or what is the reason? Good question. Please keep it with you. We will be discussing this question, answer to this question. So, friends, why sector is important? Do you think that sector is important? First of all, do we think that sector is important to follow? If yes, then why? What is the reason? Okay, absolutely. Okay. So, what is the reason of looking sector? What is no, it's not on YouTube live right now. The video may be uploaded on YouTube. Okay. So, friends, let's come to the topic. Why sector is so important? Sector gives insight of progress of economy, sector wise good, but risky also. Okay. It shows trend will help to make more money. Okay, based on budget, yes, it is required for financial boost or economy growth. Sector is group of similar business. Nobody has said कि what is the benefit of sectors to direct individuals or direct investors. सब लोग बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें जरूर बोल रहे हैं, बट कोई भी ये नहीं बता रहे हैं कि सेक्टर आपको कैसे हेल्प करता है. अरे इकोनॉमी एंड ऑल, इट्स ओके फ्रेंड. सेक्टर, like example, most of the time whenever I discuss on sector, I try to give this example. हम लोग ये समझते हैं, नाउ द शिप ऑन द ऑन वाटर. ठीक है, जब हम लोग एक शिप जब चलती है, इफ इट इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ एंड द करंट इज विथ इम, द करंट इज विथ it's on the north direction only, what will happen? The ship will move faster. अगर नाव के करंट जो है, पानी का जो बहाव है, अगर जिस डायरेक्शन में हम जा रहे हैं उसी डायरेक्शन में है, तो मैं जो नॉर्मली नाव से 1 घंटे में पहुंचूंगा, will it take more time or less time? Will it take more time or less time, friends? If the wind is with me, okay, it will take less time. Okay, it will take me faster to my destination. Now, what is important? The important is you should have a quality ship with you. That is quality नाव आपके पास, अच्छी नाव होनी चाहिए आपके पास. Do you agree, friends? और बहाव अगर आपके साथ हो गया तो आप पहुंच जाएंगे आपका, और जहां आपको पहुंचना है आप ज्यादा जल्दी पहुंचेंगे. If the current is with you, if the ship is quality ship and current is with you, you will reach your destination faster than the expected time. Okay, friends, are you understanding this? Anybody who did not understand this simple understanding? Anybody in the group? किन्हीं को अभी भी confusion है इस बातों में? Anybody who is confused? Did you got little bit of understanding? No answer, no yeses, no raise of hand. Now I am getting confused. Huh? Okay, now no confusion. Great. So friends, so अब आते हैं इसी को स्टॉक मार्केट के संदर्भ में समझते हैं. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट what I'm trying to say, that you need to have quality stocks first. What will quality stocks give you? Profit. द क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स विल गिव यू प्रॉफिट्स, एंड जैसे नाउ आपको कहां आपके डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंचाएगा, वैसे ही एक इन्वेस्टर का डेस्टिनेशन क्या है? प्रॉफिट। इकोनॉमी सब सेपरेट है सर। मुझे प्रॉफिट चाहिए। मुझे प्रॉफिट कैसे होगी? विथ क्वालिटी स्टॉक। नाउ इफ आई एम बाइंग अ क्वालिटी स्टॉक, sorry, there was some issue. Yeah, yeah, am I audible, friends? Am I audible? There was some technical issue happened. Yeah, thank you. So quality stocks is my destination, is where I want to reach. Sorry, the profit is where I want to reach. Okay, so मुझे प्रॉफिट चाहिए। प्रॉफिट कैसे मिलेगी? अच्छे स्टॉक से, क्वालिटी स्टॉक से। नाउ अगर मुझे प्रॉफिट एक महीने में मिलने वाली है, या एक क्वार्टर में मिलने वाली है, एक साल में मिलने वाली है, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट 20%, 30% in a year, okay, with quality stocks. If sector is with me, if 30% I'm going to get in 1 year, if sector is with me, it's with me, I will get how much? In how many days I will get 30%? I will get 30% on in 6 months. Are you getting me, friend? Even lesser time. Even lesser time. I have too many queries. I think today's session is on emerging sector. Yes, we'll be discussing that, sir. So before going to that, we are discussing why sector is so important. Okay, friends. So that is the reason sector becomes so important for investors. Okay. ओके, सो सेक्टर बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरत हो जाती है इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए, क्योंकि ये आपको हेल्प करता है ज्यादा रिटर्न पाने के लिए और बहुत जल्दी उस रिटर्न तक पहुंचने के लिए। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, नाउ सो लेट अस डिस्कस कि व्हाट आर, सो देयर इज अ वेरी गुड टूल व्हिच वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ वेरी गुड टूल व्हिच इज valuestocks.in। सो फ्रेंड्स, मैं देर नहीं लगाऊंगा और आपको डायरेक्टली उस टूल के पास ले जाऊंगा। आई विल डायरेक्टली टेक यू टू दैट टूल। सो let us directly go to that tool, valuestocks.in. I'm also sending you link of this tool. इस वेबसाइट का मैं लिंक भी आपको भेज दे रहा हूं। Okay, so I'm sending you the link of this tool. So this is a paid app, friends. Okay, so ये paid app है, but still why it is so important, why this tool is so important, we'll be discussing that also. ये app आपको कितना help करेगी आपके investments में, to get faster return, to get great return on your investment. Okay, so straight away let's come to sector leader. ठीक है, हम लोगों को वो स्टॉक्स निकालने हैं जो सेक्टर में टॉप करेंगे। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, so let us understand first of all, because today's topic is which sector will do well after budget. So friends, before going to that, let us discuss some important thing, which is which sectors keep on doing well even after a budget, even after any kind of event, अच्छी event हो या बुरी event हो, these sectors keep on doing well. Would you like to know, friends? Would you like to know some sectors which, yeah, which app is valuestocks.in? So you can open on website, or you can also find this in Android or iOS as value stocks. Okay, so friends, would you like to know which are the sectors that remains favorite of everyone, great investors, big investors, all the time, even if there's budget, even there is any kind of event, anything happens, those sectors, investing in those sectors are like making great money out of those sectors. Okay friends, so let us straight away go to that. So let us come to 5-year return. So which sector is giving great return in last 5 year? So friend, in last 5 year, there is food and beverage and chemicals and fertilizer and agrochemical, consumer and pharma. So these 5 sectors has been a top favorite sectors of market. Now let us also see which sector has quality stocks. तो दोस्तों ये भी जानना जरूरी है कि कौन से सेक्टर में सबसे ज्यादा क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स रहती हैं. ओके, सो प्लीज फ्रेंड मार्क दीज 5 sectors: food and beverages, chemical, fertilizer and agrochemicals, consumer goods and pharma. These 5 sectors has been top performing sector in last 5 years. So they remain favorite of all the time period. They remain favorite of all the investors, big investors. Okay friends, तो आप कभी भी इस 5 sectors में, इन 5 sectors में, if you buy on if you buy these 5 sectors at any point of time, if you buy quality stocks, then you are surely going to get good return. At least 30% CAGR is expected from these sectors. Okay, now what something which we have made, what we have done, there were 67 stocks. Friends, please listen this very carefully. I'll be explaining this particular point on Hindi also, because if you guys, some of you guys, if you have subscribed for this product, okay, value stocks, our tool, then this is going to help you a lot. Yeah. So in food and beverages, there are 67 stocks. Okay. Now what we have done, we have given score to every stocks. Okay. That on the basis of its fundamental, which is known as quality business score. So if you refer to our other videos, which we have uploaded on YouTube on quality business score, how to identify quality stocks, then you can understand that how do we define a stock as a quality or a non-quality. Okay, I will briefly explain you those who are new. How many people are new over here? Can I have raise of hand or can I have yes on chat? Okay, 21 people are new, 23 people are new. Okay, 25, 26, I think 27. Okay, so at prox I look, it's look like 30-40 people are new over here. Okay, many people are new. Okay, so I will briefly explain you what we have done. We have given score to each and every company. हम लोगों ने हर एक company NSE में आज के दिन, anybody can say how many stocks. Those who have attended earlier, please don't write this answer. Those who are attending for the first time, that those 30-40 people who are attending for the first time, can you please write on chat, do you know how many stocks are there in NSE? How many stocks are listed on NSE, National Stock Exchange? 5,000, no, 50, 5,000 plus. I think Himanshu Sharma ji has earlier joined us, no issue. 2,000, 2,500. There are exactly 1,600 plus companies are listed in NSE, approx 1635, 1640. So the counts varies. So around 1,600 companies are listed in NSE right now. So out of those 1,600 companies, what we have found, only 500 companies are of good quality. Only 500 companies are of good quality. And in that 500, you have again some 130 stocks that has great quality. Okay, friends. So what we have done, we have given score to each stock on the basis of 4 fundamental parameters. What are those 4 fundamental parameters? Sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Positive sales growth, positive profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Those who are new to this group, if they can write this 4 points on chat, this will help them to understand investments very easily. Then we can discuss a little bit more about quality business score.
So friends, we were discussing those 5 sectors which remains top every time, which remains favorite for fund manager, long-term investors, big investors are, let me show you with data. Yeah. So, yeah, if you come to 5 year and if you see food and beverages, chemicals, fertilizer and agrochemical, consumer and pharma. So I was asking those who are new. So there are 1600 NSE listed companies. There are 1600 NSE listed companies right now in India, 1600 plus NSE listed company. So what we have done, we have given score to all the 1600 companies, each 1600 companies. Okay. So that score is based on four fundamental parameters. What are those four fundamental parameters? Those four fundamental parameters are sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. So those who are new to this group, I would request them if they can write these four fundamental parameters on chat, because this will help them to keep this in mind and on your heart. Okay, whenever you invest in stock market, you will be seeing these parameters while you are investing. So we have 146 people and approx 40 people are new to this group. So those who we are doing this kind of techniques so that people understand the value of fundamentals. When they make investment, they can do investment with this understanding. So sales growth, profit growth, रिटर्न on इक्विटी greater than 15 एंड फ्री कैश फ्लो, हम लोग ये चार पैरामीटर्स देखते हैं जब हम लोग कोई भी फंडामेंटली स्ट्रांग, हम लोग डिसाइड अगर करना है कि ये फंडामेंटली स्ट्रांग है कोई कंपनी, तो ये चार पैरामीटर को देखना बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. सेल्स ग्रोथ, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी ग्रेटर देन 15, फ्री कैश फ्लो पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव फ्री कैश फ्लो. So those who are new to this group, I would request them to write this on chat. Have a note on your diary or anywhere with you, if you can write. Have a sticky note kind of thing. Whenever you are investing, please look for these four fundamental parameters. This will increase your return. Uh, in fact, it will help you to beat benchmark by 2x, 3x. Okay, friends. I got answer from somebody is writing P ratio. No, please don't write P ratio. It should be profit and loss, sorry, profit growth, sales growth, return on equity greater than 15 and free cash flow positive. Okay. ये चार फंडामेंटल पैरामीटर्स. फ्री कैश फ्लो पॉजिटिव, रविंद्र जी आप जब भी देखते हैं कि कोई कंपनी में फ्री कैश फ्लो पॉजिटिव है, दैट इटसेल्फ हेल्प कंपनी टू रिड्यूस द डेट. इट शोज दैट कंपनी डजंट हैव डेट. या अभी ये जो पैरामीटर्स है, अगर आप इमीडिएटली लास्ट ईयर के भी देख लो तो बहुत हैं. यू विल हैव ग्रेट कंपनीज विद ऑन योर हैंड. बट व्हाट वी डू, we analyze these four fundamental parameters on 5 years. So I will be giving you a glimpse how we show a fundamental parameters, how we decide a fundamental stock, because this is sector, because we are going to discuss more about sector. So I will just in within minute I will be taking you to the quality business score page. Most of you, those who have attended us earlier, so they must be knowing this. But for those who have attended for the first time, I'll be showing you how does QBS look like. So can I have one name that you want to see for quality business score for? Okay. So let us take, okay, let us take Atul. Let us take Atul. Okay, I asked one name. People are sending so many names. Okay, so if you type Atul, so what you need to do, you can try with me, huh, friends? You can try with me. You can. I'm just again sending you this link, valuestocks.in. I'm sending for everyone, valuestocks.in. You can click on this link, and with me, you can select your stocks and find the quality of your stocks. So if we go this on the first tab, select winning stocks with QBS. If we click on this, and type Atul over here, and no quality business score of Atul. So friends, straight away the answer is provided to the investors. It has score of 18 out of 22. It's a great company, and there are 137 such great companies available in the market. तो फ्रेंड्स, मैं जो आपको नाव की बात कर रहा था ना, आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट अ शिप, क्वालिटी शिप, a great quality ship. So these 137 are great quality ship which will take you to your destination. And what is that destination? The destination is profit that you are going to make from investment. So there are such 137 such great stocks which has capability of doing giving great return to the investors. Okay, now how do we came to this 18 number? I will show you briefly. See, so we see 5 years of sales growth, profit growth, free cash flow, and return on equity greater than 15. So quarterly, because this is the latest quarter, so we say see for 5 years, and sales growth and profit growth for quarterly results. So there was a EPS growth. You can consider EPS as a profit. It's similar to the profit. So there was a profit growth of 11%. So the score was 1. Sales growth was negative by 8%. That is why we have given 0. In 2019-20, company was positive in all the parameters. Sales growth was positive. EPS growth was 54% positive. There was a growth of 54% in EPS growth, profit growth. And company had positive free cash flow of 352 crore. And return on equity was 22, which is above 15. So it's got 4 marks. Similarly, it got 4 mark in 2018-19. In 2017-18, it got 2 marks. Why? It struggled in giving positive growth in EPS, and return on equity was slightly lower. Okay, it was 13, so it got 0 mark. In 2016-17, the marks was 4, and then 3. So we will just sum up these number. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 4 17, and then 1 18. So we get 18 marks out of 22. So it's kind of grading system of for each stock. Okay, so this is the kind of grading system for each stock. Okay, which help you to understand what is the 5 year history of the company on financials. कंपनी के फाइनेंशियल्स 5 साल से कैसे हैं, on how many minute. So friends, how many minute we took in identifying the the history, financial history of a company, and how many hours do we take for having these kind of understanding. Can anybody say what is the ratio that you take if you want to understand this kind of if you want to do this kind of analysis on of your own? Anybody on the group, if you can write, we have 145 people. If you can say, Santosh Yadav ji is writing 1 is to 1 10,000 within 2 minutes in your side, hours exactly. So if you do with yourself, it will take hours and hours, and with this tool, with this great tool, you will probably take 1 minute. So I'm not going to show you that PDF again, but we generally show that PDF. If you go to Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company's website, and if you go to 2017 annual report, on page number 25, he's writing that he takes 5 minutes to identify whether he's going to acquire a company or not, whether he's going to buy any company or not. So, friends, the great person, Mr. Warren Buffett, has lowered down that research time by 5 minutes. And this is what we have also done for general investor. He is a great investor of decade, so of all time even. So we have only tried to make that understanding for available for investors, so that they can identify financials of the company. They can straight away understand what is the financial of the company in last 5 years. Now friend, this will help investors to make great money in future. Okay, because the behavior that behave, the financial behavior that company has in past, there is a high chance that it will keep on keep, if it's good, it will keep it, make it better in future. If it is poor, it will either go very bad again, or it will try to do well. So it depends. So we need to see. So any company which is greater 18 and above quality business score are great companies. Then any company which is 15 to 17 are good companies, and 10 to 14 are moderate companies, and below 9 are poor companies. So I got too many names. So if you guys, now you take your time, you go to this value stocks like Ravindra ji, you can check ITC on our website valuestocks.in, and you can write on chat what is written for ITC, because I may not be tomorrow for you friends. So if today, if you try this with on your side, then it will help you to decide on any stocks tomorrow. Okay friends, so Ravindra ji, if you can write. And we have Lavkesh ji, he's looking after Tata Steel. So please look, please check Tata Steel, what we are showing, whether it is a great company, good company. You might not be seeing the exact score, but we'll say what is the what is the score of this company approx, we will say. So please look into it. So as Sahaji has written, it's 18. ITC is 18 out of 22. And similarly, you, everybody can see on valuestocks.in. Okay friends. Now, okay, Himanshu ji is also saying, okay, great. So if you look, if you see like this will help you to take decision tomorrow. If you want to take any action, you can take tomorrow, okay, for your own study. So now coming back to sector leader. So we have sector leader. So we are again coming back to sector leader for no, for having this sector. So let us come to sector leader 5 year. Now something is, so there are 67 stocks in food and beverages, out of which 14 stocks are good stock. 14 stocks have quality business score above either 15 or 15 and above. So they have a quality business score better, good, are good companies. So quality companies are 14. In 67 companies, there are only 14 companies which are quality stocks. So friends, mind it, I said it, I will say it again and again. अगर आप कभी भी investment करते हो, the very, it's very important to invest in a quality company. And with quality, if you guys are investing in great sector, then it's going to give you a boost in your return. Okay, any query, anybody who did not understand? Yeah, the quality stocks, there is somebody is asking what is the time frame of quality stocks. The quality stock does not have any time frame. It has only one thing: if quality become a poor quality, it's time to exit the stock. Till then you can ride the run, and you can enjoy the run of that quality stocks. Now, so what, let us see. So these are 5 sectors which are like always you can invest every time in these 5 sectors: food and beverages, chemical, fertilizer and agrochemical, consumer goods, and pharma. Now I will also show you that some of the stocks, some of the sectors which has highest, sorry, some of the sector which has highest number of quality stocks in them, like FMCG. There are 44% companies are of quality stocks. There is 27 stocks in FMCG, and out of 27, 12 stocks are of good quality. In IT, there are 100 stocks. Out of 100, there are 35 quality stocks. Automobiles has 105 companies. Out of 105, there are 30 companies which has quality. They are prox 30%. So you get higher probability of making success if you invest in these some of the sectors. So if you remember, pharma was there in top 5 in 5 years, chemical was also there, and fertilizer and agrochemical. So these 3 sectors become more powerful for investment in for investment in for investing. Okay, so now, so let us see now which are those sectors which are doing well after which are doing well. So let us see which are the sectors which are doing well after the budget. So approx 1 week has been passed for budget. So we have one tab which is 1 week, in which banking and PSU, there are 15 stock in banking PSU, and 0 stocks are of quality. So when we started the webinar, somebody was saying that banks are not going up. So this is the reason why banks are not doing very well, because the quality, there is no quality in this sector. The stocks are of not great quality. So now, friends, sometime what happened, because of sector. Now, there was Aditya Rajji who asked, yeah, there was Aditya Rajji who asked that uh, sometime what happened, you sectors can be very risky. Sector can be risky if you're only riding on sectors and you are buying poor stock in that particular sector. If you guys can understand this, if you are buying, अगर आप खराब स्टॉक खरीद रहे हैं, अगर पहली बात आप खाली सेक्टर के बेसिस में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं और पुअर क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स खरीद रहे हैं, तो जैसे ही सेक्टर गिरेगी वैसे ही आपके स्टॉक्स भी गिर जाएंगे. When the sector will fall, if you're buying only on sector, so it's very important to buy sector plus quality. We have we have 140 people on group. If you can write on chat that what should we invest for sector, we should invest sector plus quality. Ravindra Rana ji, I have already explained you. The quality can be understood with the help of QBS, Quality Business Score. If the company has Quality Business Score above 15, it's a quality stocks. Yeah. So it's very easy now to get the quality of the stock. Anything above 15, just it's a quality stocks. Okay, friends. And for a great quality stocks, you need 18. Yeah. Okay. Quality business score should be above 18 and above. So those who are new to this group, please write on chat. And even the person who are attending for sector for the first time, they can write on chat. Always invest. This should be the sentence. Always invest in quality stocks and good sector to get greater return. Invest in both quality and sector. Friends, can you write on chat? Invest in quality and sector. We will be showing you how to select sector. I'm just showing you. Always invest in quality stocks in growing sector. Perfect. Himanshu Sharma ji has written. So we have 140 people. If you can write on this on chat, this will help you to mug up. This will help you while you are investing. Then you will ask a question to yourself that whether when you are investing, you will ask your question to yourself that whether you are investing for in both quality as well as in sector. Thank you. I have got 3 people who wrote this. Quality plus sector. Thank you, friends. Thank you for writing. Those who have not written, please either write on your diary, make a sticky note kind of thing. Please, these things are going to help you a lot. फ्रेंड्स, मार्केट में लोग बहुत पैसे खो रहे हैं. मार्केट्स बहुत वॉलेटाइल रहती है. So quality, Uday Desai, quality is zero in. So there is no quality stocks in banking and banking PSU. So अगर आप sector में enter कर रहे हैं, तो this would be a risky bet. Let me tell you this again. If you are investing only on sector, okay, this if you are investing only on sector, this can be a risky bet. लाइक मैं जो स्टार्टिंग में जो एग्जांपल लिया था वही बता देता हूँ. अगर मेरी नाव अच्छी नहीं है तो मैं किनारे तक पहुंचूंगा जरूर, लेकिन मर के पहुंचूंगा कि जिंदा पहुंचूंगा उसमें शक रहेगा. समझ रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स? सो अगर क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स नहीं है आपकी, अगर सेक्टर जरा सा भी खराब करता है परफॉर्म, आप हेवाया हो सकते हैं, because the control is not with you. When you are not investing in quality stocks, the control is not with you. Okay, so the control is not with you, the control is only with the current, the control is only with the sector. जैसे ही आप क्वालिटी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, द कंट्रोल इन इज इन द हैंड ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर, द कंट्रोल इज इन द हैंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टर। ओके, तो इसीलिए फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों को, तो जो भी लोग आज तक कंफ्यूज थे कि मैं सेक्टर में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं, परफॉर्मिंग सेक्टर में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं, और वो स्टॉक, वो सेक्टर थोड़ी अच्छी करती है फिर गिर जाती है, तो व्हाट टू डू नाउ, इसलिए सेक्टर कैन बी अ रिस्की बेट एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, दे कैन हैव दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग। सो फ्रेंड्स, I'll be showing you some of the tips how to select great sectors, moving sectors even, in fact. But हाँ, बट फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि कौन से सेक्टर अच्छी, कैसे डिसाइड कर सकते हैं आप कि कौन सी सेक्टर आगे चल के अच्छी चलेगी। बट फ्रेंड्स, अगर क्वालिटी में आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे, तो अगर सेक्टर में कहीं भी अप एंड डाउन भी आया, नाउ लेट मी गिव यू माय एक्सपीरियंस टू यू गाइस। कभी कभी क्या होती है, सेक्टर चलना शुरू करती है, लाइक इफ यू रिमेंबर फार्मा, फार्मा लास्ट 2-2.5 साल से चल रही है, 3 साल से चल रही है। But when it started, it moved from lower, from its low. What happened? It went up by 5-10%. Then it again came down. Then it again gave it movement. Then it again came down. So what happened? There was a, the sector was trying to do well, but फिर गिर जाती थी. So इसीलिए friend, but at last what happened? The sector given a great up move. ठीक है? And people who were invested in pharma, they made huge money from pharma. सो फ्रेंड्स, यही पॉइंट है कि सेक्टर में अगर आप क्वालिटी में हो, तो दैट zigzag मूवमेंट लाइक अबाउट इंडिया, अबाउट द फ्लक्चुएशन will not affect you much. Fluctuation will not affect you much because you are with quality stocks. So now coming to, so let me show you what, so after budget, banking PSU is doing very well, consumer goods is doing very well. So we have also seen that consumer goods was also a great sector in last 5 years. So friends, and there are six stocks in consumer goods that has good quality, has great quality. So would you like to see this six stocks? What are those six stocks? Would you like to see, who all will like to see these six stocks uh, in consumer goods, which can be a great stock till next budget? Okay, but we need to see the quality. If this quality is not deteriorating, then yes, we can keep for next budget also, and can make great return out of these six stocks. So let's open this. So as I said you, the company should be greater than 15. So we have, so in consumer goods, we have Relaxo, we have Sheila Foam, we have Avenue Supermart, we have Vaibhav Global, we have VIP Industries, we have Eveready, we have Bata, and we have Sri Leather, we have V-Mart. So these are some of the stocks. So if you don't want to buy, like there is some, we also mention that okay, the quality business score is strong, but still, if you buy these companies, this may not be a great investment. So you can focus on strong buy and buy. So let us check which are the stocks which are buy and strong buy. So this is second filter after quality business score. Okay, so you can see Relaxo, Sila Foam, Avenue Supermart, Vaibhav Global, and India Mart Intermesh. So these are some of the great quality stocks which can give great return after this budget, and you can hold these stocks till next budget. Okay, so okay, we need to check till Vaibhav Global. We need not to see India Mart Intermesh. Okay, this has been recently added, so the total data for available for India Mart Intermesh is less, so the QB score is even high. But let us take these four companies: Relaxo, Sila Foam, Avenue Supermart, and Webber Global. So please, guys, please take picture of this. Yeah, India Mart Intermesh actually listed recently, so the all datas are not available for India Mart Intermesh. Otherwise, this stock is also a great stock. So no issue. We can take till Webber Global, Avenue Supermart, Sheila Foam, and Relaxo. Okay. So these four companies from consumer goods. Now there are seven companies. So there has been a great boost on industrial manufacturing. You might be seeing those companies doing very well now. So let us check what are those seven companies. Only 9% companies. What are these seven companies? Which are the seven companies which are doing very well after budget? So let us take let's take all. So friends, these are Grindwell Nocturne. Then we have GM Faludar. Then we have Orient Refractories, AIA Engineering. Then we have NRB Bearing, which we can, which may, which we may not invest now, as for now, because it is hold with caution. So wait for this. But we have SKF India. Then we have Tata Timken. Then, so these stocks you can invest. So let us check buy and strong buy only and hold. Okay. So a Grindwell Nocturne, GM Faluda, Orient Refractories, AIA Engineering. So now, friends, what happened after budget? Market has given benefit to these sectors. Okay. So even after 3 months or after 1 month, uh, if uh, if sector doesn't work, who will drive these stocks? The quality of the stock will drive the stocks up. वापस से 3 महीने बाद हो सकता है कि वापस से सेक्टर कुछ गिरे और फिर वापस से बढ़े. So what will happen? Again, you will get a return. So it will not force you to exit out of these stocks, because these stocks has very good fundamental. You will keep on holding these stocks even the sector is not doing well. Are you guys understanding this? This is a very important topic to understand. Friends, are you understanding this? Anybody have any query till now? Anyone having any query? Uh, are we communicating, friends? Are you understanding? Uh, are we understanding, friend? Okay, Anthony G is writing something. He's saying this is a value-based selection. What parameter for growth study? Sir, the growth parameter is all is in QBS, the quality business score. You are taking sales growth, you are taking profit growth, you are taking return on equity greater than 15, you are taking positive positive cash flow. What else growth you want? You have taken all the growths, that for 5 years, not for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. You are taking for 5 years. Anthony ji, are you getting your answer? Okay. So, okay, these stocks not depend on sector performance. Yes, they do not depend on sector performance, but if sector is helping these stocks to grow further, what will happen? It will individually being a quality stocks. If a stock is rising by, have you okay? Have you seen APL Apollo? Anybody who has seen performance of APL Apollo? Anybody who has seen performance of APL Apollo in last 2 years? Anybody? We have 141 people right now. Anybody? Okay. Are you responding to APL Apollo, Shaku ji? Okay, yeah. Prices are too high when to buy. See, so what happened? APL Apollo, it was in metal sector. Metal sector was not doing well, because the only stock, this was the only stock APL Apollo which was a great stock in metal sector. Okay, like right now there is no stock in banking PSU. Okay, and in metals there was only one stock, APL Apollo, which was of great quality. So what happened? Metal sector was not doing well, but APL Apollo keep on going up because of its quality. Now, when overall sector start doing well, what happened? APL Apollo just zoomed. It gave a huge blast on the upside. So, friend, this is how things happen. So, invest in quality stocks, uh, invest in sector, invest in quality stocks. जब sector plus होगा उसके साथ, ठीक है, don't wait, do not invest in poor quality stocks and wait that the quality is going to get good. No, invest in sector which has good quality. Invest in growing sector and invest in quality stocks, so that अगर sector कुछ भी trouble भी आया sector में, what will happen? The stock will not suffer much. Okay, friends. Yeah, from 200 it went to 900. Huh? So, friends, are you liking the session? I didn't ask this. Anybody who is not, or I don't know. Sorry, this would be a wrong boomerang question. But are you liking the session? So, is it informative? Yeah. If you already invested in some stocks, then what to do? So yeah, so Dinesh Shudji is asking, if he is already invested in some stock, then what to do? It's very easy, sir. We are there for you. So you can send your portfolio to us and we will do a portfolio check. Well, where we will recommend you which are those stocks which doesn't have good quality. So it's free of cost. You don't have to bear any cost for that. You just need to mail us on our website, on our support@valuestocks.in. अगर आप ये मेल हमें करते हैं आपका पोर्टफोलियो, तो हम लोग आपके पोर्टफोलियो को चेक कर देते हैं और चेक करके आपको बताते हैं कि किन कौन कौन से स्टॉक्स आप निकल सकते हैं और आप कौन कौन से एंटर कर सकते हैं. देन आवर 1-to-1 सेशन विल हेल्प यू to enter in a quality stocks. So friends, I'm going to show you some one or two great sectors, ठीक है, जो we can, that you guys can think on investing. So infrastructure, we all know there has been a great boost on infrastructure from government. So let us see, there are out of 75 stocks, there are only 4 companies which has good quality in infrastructure. तो हो सकता है जिस दिन आपने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बजट में सुना होगा तो आप गलत कंपनियों में इन्वेस्ट कर देंगे. तो क्या होगा, आफ्टर 3 months if infrastructure doesn't do well, what will happen? Your portfolio will go down. But if we invest in only these 4 companies, what will happen? We'll make good money even if the sector does not perform. So just click on infrastructure. So we have, so let us take buy, strong buy with caution, and hold. Just a second, friends. So in buy, we have 2 companies which are of good quality score. That is PNC Infra. So we can avoid PNC Infra because it has score below 14, below 15. But we can look for KNR Construction, and we can also take this. So these Voltas can be another stock which we can look for investing in infrastructure and construction engineering. So after sector, these 2 stocks we can look for investing. Okay. Now, uh, so last, so let us take last sector, which is automobiles. Automobile, we have out of 105 companies, there are 30 companies which are which has good quality. So let's check. So let us take this strong buy hold. So endurance, Bajaj Auto, Gulf Oil Lubricant, Balkrishna Industries, Hero, Sundaram Fasteners, Castrol, Amar Raja Battery. Then you have Iker Motor. Then you have Escort. Then you have Exide. So these are some of the stocks in automobile. So friends, in this way, you can invest in sectors, and you can be peace of mind that if this shift in performance of sector, you are not going to lose much money because of sector change. Okay, now as I said you, I will be showing you how you can identify great sectors. So it's very easy, friend. Generally, like from now onward, 1 week, 1 month will be very important, because after any event, sectors become very important. After any particular event like budget, election, the sector which start moving up, that becomes very important. So why we are talking of 1 week? Because we will be getting stocks, or we will be getting companies or sectors which are doing well, because there's only 1 week has passed for budget. So we are looking at 1 week. So after any event, after any big event, uh, the performance becomes very important. Okay. So if the quality business score is above 15, okay, or in fact 18, you can buy even hold companies. Why it has been hold? Because the recent quarter results are not very great in those companies, so that is why we are giving it as hold. Okay, so in hold you can keep on investing, no issue, if the quality business score is above 15. Okay friends, anything else? So next big event is budget. Budget is a next, not next big event, but we need to first check what to gain from budget. Okay, so we don't know what will happen after election. इलेक्शन एक नेक्स्ट बिग इवेंट है, तो उसके बाद कौन से सेक्टर मूव होते हैं वो देखना जरूरी है. फिलहाल हम लोग को जरूरी है कि हम लोग वो स्टॉक्स देखें जो बजट के बाद अच्छा कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ कंपनी आर बेनिफिटिंग बिकॉज ऑफ बजट. ओके, सो प्राइस परफॉर्मेंस से हम लोग को समझ में आ जाता है कि कौन सा सेक्टर को एक्चुअली बेनिफिट्स मिले हैं. ठीक है, और उस सेक्टर में हम लोग को क्या करना है फ्रेंड्स? कैन वी बाय एनीथिंग इन दिस सेक्टर? लाइक बैंकिंग पीएसयू में वुड यू बाय एनीथिंग इन बैंकिंग पीएसयू? Would you buy? We have 138 people. If you can respond, will you buy anything in banking and PSU? Banks PSU? Exactly, no. And even if you are buying, even if you are buying, you have to be very cautious, because all these stocks are of no quality, not a great quality. So somebody is asking for chemical. So let us look at chemical sector. There are 19 great quality stocks in chemical. So let's check what are those quality stocks in chemical. Buy and strong buy. Okay. So Pidilite, Alkali Mine, Galaxy Surfactant, Atul, Aarti Industries, Navin Fluoro, Supreme Petro, Sudarshan Chemical, and Tata Chemical. These are some of the great companies in chemical sector. So chemical is also a very good sector in last 5 years. So friends, you guys must be having too many queries. So now I would request you all to have to book our free one-to-one training session. Okay, we have 136 people in this group right now. So आप लोगों की बहुत सारे सवाल होंगे जिनका जवाब इतने लोगों के बीच में बताना करना और इतने लोगों को बताना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. इट विल टेक टू मच टाइम. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, so this is one level of trust which we have created with you guys. Now for second level of trust, what we are doing, we are arranging book your free one-to-one training. This is totally free. So friends, as this webinar was free with you, where we have explained you so many thing about sector. First of all, did you like this session? Did you like the session? Did you enjoyed it? Did you learn something? Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you for all the yeses. Okay. So yeah. So now, friends, तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है, और भी डिटेल्स हैं इस इस वेबसाइट के बारे में, हमारे ऐप के बारे में, जिससे आप लोग बहुत बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं। और वो जानने के लिए यू कैन बुक दिस फ्री 1-to-1 इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस, इफ यू गो टू valuestocks.in and if you click on book your free 1-to-1 training, I'm also sending this link of free 1-to-1 training on chat. So friends, आप डायरेक्टली इस लिंक को क्लिक करके बहुत ही नॉर्मल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको यहाँ पे फिल करने हैं। व्हाट इज योर नेम, आपके ईमेल आईडी, आपका मोबाइल नंबर, कैसा इन्वेस्ट, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इन्वेस्टर यू आर, व्हाट इज योर करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द मार्केट, एंड यू कैन सेलेक्ट द डेट। नाउ दिस इज समथिंग वेरी ग्रेट अबाउट दिस ट्रेनिंग, कि आप अपने डिसाइड किए हुए टाइम पे, आप जिस टाइम पे आप फ्री हैं, आप उस टाइम पे ये शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं। सो आप फ्री भी रहेंगे और आप सेशन को अटेंड भी कर पाएंगे। तो यहाँ पे मेरे कलीग आपको बताएंगे कि हाउ यू कैन, या सो माय कलीग विल हेल्प यू टू फॉर योर पर्सनल क्वेरीज। ओके, so friends, please book your free 1-to-1 training. Those who are new, in this webinar, they please attend this free 1-to-1 training. So this will help you a lot for your investment. जो भी सर, जो भी आपकी क्वेरीज रह गई, योगेश जी, जो भी आपकी क्वेरीज रह गई है इस सेशन में, जो मैं आंसर नहीं कर पाया हूँ, बहुत सारी बातें, वो आप यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। और क्वालिटी बिजनेस स्कोर को और कैसे समझ सकते हैं। हाँ रविंद्र राणा जी, यू कैन डायरेक्टली book your free 1-to-1 training. So there are 110 people right now who are listening to this webinar. I would be very thankful if you join this free 1-to-1 training. This will help you to understand our product further. ठीक है, ये आपको हेल्प करेगा हमारे बारे में और जानने में। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, व्हाई वी आर डूइंग दिस, बिकॉज मार्केट्स रियली बहुत वॉलेटाइल हैं, और जनरल इन्वेस्टर, आप जैसे जनरल इन्वेस्टर्स मार्केट्स में बहुत सारे पैसे खो रहे हैं, बहुत डिफिकल्टी हो रही है आप लोगों के लिए। तो प्लीज ऐसे ग्रेट टूल्स को यूज करके आप अपना प्रॉफिट ग्रो कर सकते हैं। और थैंक यू जिनेंद्र जी। सो if you have any query, then we can discuss, or we can end the session for the day. Anybody is having any query? Ravindra ji, quality is applicable everywhere, whether it is derivative or equity. So अगर आप derivative में भी, if you are trading in derivative or intraday, and if you are by mistake, if you are selling quality stocks and buying poor quality stocks, then you must be struggling. So you need to identify before you take your trade whether the stock is quality or poor quality. So ये ऐप हर तरीके से आपको हेल्प करता है। और derivative market में we have something unique which is known as Nifty trend. So I have spoken only 10% about the website. There is something, there are so many things in website that will take approx 1.5 hour, which my colleague will help you to understand. Okay, please sir, Ravindra ji, please then join this free 1-to-1 training. It will be easy for you to understand much about our website. Okay friends, thank you very much for joining this webinar. Thank you.